Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. When I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So hope you guys are having a great day so far. Mine is okay. I mean, you know, we're still in quarantine, so it is what it is. Anyway, for this video, I thought I would show everyone what I got in my Birchbox and my Boxycharm May boxes. It was so interesting. I got my April Boxycharm box on May 6th, and I got my May Boxycharm box, I think it was May 13th or 12th or something like that last week. It was like, I don't know what happened. But I mean, I don't get like angry or stressed out about it. It's a weird time right now, and I mean, a Boxycharm box is not something that I'm having a horrible hair day. Essential to life, so it is what it is. So the first thing we will look at is my Birchbox. I don't hear a lot of people talk about Birchbox. I think it's because, like, I don't know if it's like older or only get like sample sizes, but I really enjoy it because I like sometimes just getting little sample sizes of makeup. So I love, first of all, the tissue paper is very pretty. I don't know what was in here, but this is it. That bag was empty. So the first thing I got is a Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, which is actually really good because I like exfoliating my face, so this will be awesome. The next thing I got is Aero Nourishing Lip Oil, which is great because my lips are like naturally dry, so, and plus I don't drink enough water, so I definitely can always use something to help with my lips. Then I got, is it Oribe or Oribe? I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Gold Lush Dry Shampoo, which is awesome because I definitely always use dry shampoo because my hair, you know, just needs a zhuzh sometimes. Then I got a Sunday Riley 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. So this I'll definitely use, which is awesome. Then I got Their Real Mascara, which I have, is it mascara? Yeah, which I have used before and I really enjoy it, so that's always good. And then the last thing, it looks like it is actually a full-size product from Model Co. And it is a retractable brow pencil, which is great because I don't do like insane things with my brows. So I actually just kind of use a brow pencil and stuff. So this will be perfect. It's the color right there. Very nice. Yes, the pencil is a little spoolie on the back. So this is actually a pretty nice box, I have to say. Not that I ever like really hate what I get in my boxes, but sometimes like they'll sound like a lot of sometimes like hair products, even though I'll like review and say that like I don't always want them. Because I don't do crazy stuff with my hair. Like I'll use detanglers, I'll use like leave-in treatments, but I don't use like, I don't really style my hair or anything because it's thick and it's long and I'm not good with styling tools. So like when they send like mousses or like lotions to go for like styling, I either hand them over to somebody else or I put them in my Project Beauty Share box to get donated because I'm not going to use them. Not that they're bad products, it's just not something that I'm going to use enough to have it hanging around. It is just going to hang around. My allergies are really bothering me. Saying my right eye is tearing was bothering me before I put my makeup on, and I stupidly still did. So it's tearing and it's really making me mad. Before I go into my Boxycharm box, I wanted to do a small little update. I've been using the Makiage foundation for a few days now, and I really enjoy it. I'm going to talk more about it in an upcoming video, but overall, I'm really liking it. I have it on right now. I'm loving the coverage, how long it lasts, how it feels when it goes on. So yeah, that's an update on that. So far it gets a big thumbs up. I will talk more in detail about it in a video later this week. So now let's move on to my Boxycharm box. Obviously we all know, looks like that. And this month I got the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. This actually was one of the things, you know, you can like customize an item. This was one of the ones that they had and I picked it because I love like recovery masks and things like that, so I wanted to get that, and I like Glam Glow actually. And then I got a Tarte High Performance plant-powered micellar water, which is great. I love micellar water. I use it a lot. I like the way micellar water works for taking off my makeup and the way it feels on my skin, so I will definitely give this a try. I'm actually really excited to try that. Then another thing, the third thing I got is from Iconic London. It's, oh my god, it's a lip gloss in the color Peekaboo. It's a plumping lip gloss, it says. It says the Iconic lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with biomimetic peptide, which help to perform natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. So I will give this a try. Then the fourth thing I got is the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged eyeshadow primer. I will definitely give this a try. I've never used their eyeshadow primer before. I had an eyeshadow palette from them. I liked their mascara that I had gotten. I don't think I've ever actually bought anything from Pretty Vulgar myself. I believe I've gotten everything from Pretty Vulgar that I've gotten has been through my Boxycharm box. And I haven't hated anything, so that's really good. I mean, it's not a brand that I automatically like think about, but I don't dislike it. And I kind of like their whole like vintagey vibey thing, so it's nice. And then the final thing I got in my box was from Haus Laboratories. It is a eyeliner pencil. I believe it was very nice, kind of heavy. I think it's brown. Yeah. I've never tried Lady Gaga's brand either, so this will be interesting. I do use felt tip liners, so I'm interested to try that. This dried down pretty fast, like not my finger. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to try Haus Laboratories. I mean, I heard such mixed things about it when it first came out. So I didn't really like her products. There was nothing like that super appealed to me right away that I was like, oh my god, I need to have that. So I haven't made a purchase from Haus Laboratories. So this will be a nice way to try one of their products, which is why I love getting these boxes every month. Do I need all the stuff? No, but it's fun because they will send products that I wouldn't have normally bought, B, sometimes from brands I've never heard of or have wanted to try, and they put it in there. And it's just overall, like, it's just fun to get something in the mail, like, kind of that's like a surprise every month, because you don't know. I try not to look at the, like, videos online of what everyone gets in their boxes until, like, I look at mine, just because I don't really want to know too much. I mean, you see spoilers anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but I try and keep it a little bit of a surprise if I can. That's it for this video. It's just a nice, quick, short video. If you like these type of videos, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that's totally fine. Thank you for stopping by and just sharing this minute with me. I really appreciate it. As always, I will list everything that I am wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable, but of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies. So from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!